This is why you need to budget like a boss if you own a car. So, you bought a car. Congrats! But did you know there are sneaky costs lurking around the corner? First off, repairs. Even new cars can hit you with unexpected repairs. That check engine light? It's not just a suggestion. Next, we've got insurance. Sure, you shopped around for the best rate, but it still adds up. And if you're a speed demon with a lead foot, expect those premiums to shoot up faster than you can say speed limit. Then there's depreciation. Your car loses value the moment you drive it off the lot. It's like watching your money evaporate. And don't forget about maintenance. Oil changes, tire rotations, and brake pads. It's like your car has a never-ending appetite for your wallet. Fuel is another biggie. Depending on your car, you might feel like you're on a first-name basis with the gas station cashier. And let's not ignore those parking fees. Ever tried finding free parking in a city? It's like finding a unicorn. Lastly, registration and taxes. They sneak up on you annually, just when you thought you had everything under control. So next time you admire your shiny car, remember these hidden costs. Because owning a car is awesome, but being prepared for its surprises, that's priceless.